Did you know a priest was struck speechless by an angel for 9 whole months? Zechariah was old. His wife Elizabeth was old. They had no children. One day, Zechariah was chosen by Lot to burn incense in God's holy temple. This was a once-in-a-lifetime honor. Suddenly, the angel Gabriel appeared beside the altar. Zechariah was terrified. "Don't be afraid," Gabriel said. "Your wife will have a son. You will name him John. He will prepare the way for the Messiah." But Zechariah doubted. "How can this be? We're too old." Gabriel's voice turned stern. "I am Gabriel. I stand in God's presence. Because you didn't believe, you will be silent until this happens." Instantly, Zechariah couldn't speak. 9 months passed. Elizabeth gave birth to a baby boy. When people asked what to name him, Zechariah wrote on a tablet, "His name is John." The moment he wrote those words, his voice returned. He burst into prophetic song, praising God. God's promises always come true, even when we doubt.